Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures. This is Hina, and today we are here for doing our next month tarot card reading, and that is for August 2020. It's a Leo season, official Leo season. Yes, it's a time when Sun will travel from his home, that is the fifth house, which is a house of innocence, the inner beauty. It's about inner strength, and I can tell you, it's the time where you will know how to do a self love, how to encourage yourself. It will give you that encouragement. This season will give you that encouragement where you will be outcasting all your creativity and all the I can tell you goals and everything on the stage without a fear. So yes, it's a month of enjoyment, it's a month of fulfillment. Yes, clarity. Definitely whatever is not meant for you will get over in this month, and you will be seeking a clarity for sure. So Leo season is all about the clarity, all about the enjoyment, fulfillment, and yes, goal setting, completion of goals. It's a bright month. It's the energy of the sun, and you will be feeling it. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Capricorn for the month of August 2020. Now Capricorn is a sign which is very much patient. It is determined. It is ambitious, consistent. They are more prone to work and they love to work. But Leo is a sign which is a bit opposite to it. They are more fun loving. They also love to work. They are ambitious. They are determined, passionate. But at the same time, Leo has this balance of fun, and they love to get mixed up with people. They are socially active while Capricorn is socially inactive, definitely because they are earth sign. They're being more grounded, while Leo is a sign which is a fire, and definitely it would be getting a social interactions more than Capricorn. So let's see how Leo signs affect Capricorn, or how Leo season is going to get this earth sign Capricorn. Let's see what are the tarot cards for the sign of Capricorn for the month of August 2020. Okay, fine, great, okay, wow. Okay, so these are beautiful cards for Capricorn this month August. I suppose this month of abundance is really a good one for all of us. Okay, so let's begin. The first card that has been drawn is Ten of Swords. This is a present scenario or current situation that's going on into your life, Capricorns. So Ten of Swords is an card or an energy where you have to end something, right? It could be ending a relationship, a past relationship, a toxic relationship, a toxic friendship, or maybe a toxic idea in your mind. Okay, something negative has to end so that there can be a new beginning. Whenever there is a 10 in a tarot card reading, 10 is a number for completion. So something has to end to start or to give a chance for new beginning. So if there is something negative in your mind, or some toxic people in your life, or toxic idea, you yourself feel that you are toxic to someone, try to end that behavior. Okay, I feel somewhere or the other there is much stress in your life regarding your past, because the card which is a challenge is Eight of Cups, and Eight of Cups is an energy where you need to move on from your past. You need to think properly. Whenever there is a moon in a reading, it means that you need to think carefully, cautiously, properly, and leave behind the empty cups. These are the empty cups, and there is a full of ocean. So when you have full of ocean of opportunities, there is an ocean for you. Why you need to be stuck into the past, where there is emptiness, where there is no one waiting for you, where there is none of the thing left for you. Why you need to embrace this emptiness when you have full of ocean and there is forward looking and forward moving? Move ahead, guys, because both of the cards are telling you this is to be end, this has to be end, this is a final ending, and when there is an ending there would be a new beginning. Learn from past mistakes, leave it over there and move ahead. So your current scenario is something where you need to end. Yes, it is going to be painful, definitely, because 10 of swords is an energy where things gets difficult. You will feel that hurt, it would be painful for you, because you must have had full journey with it to come to this completion, and finally when you are at end you will realize that there was nothing and there was only emptiness behind, and you were just cling to that person, to that idea, to that affection, without other person's interaction or appreciation or other person's involvement. Only you were involved and nothing was left behind. So it's better to move ahead, Capricorns. Okay, I understand Capricorn doesn't get feelings so so easily. They do not get involved in anybody so easily. They take their own time, because at first place they are more towards their career and their work, because that sign is very much into a workaholic kind of I can tell you emotion. Yes, but at the same time, whenever a Capricorn is attached to someone, and if there is lot of pain or toxicity involved in that relationship or that friendship, then it's better to move ahead, because it's not going to serve you any better, to you or to that other person, and there is nothing much left, and that's the challenge for you. So Capricorns, if this is the challenge for you, that you are still stuck into the past idea or in the past, then it will become a very difficult to move ahead. So it's better to end. There has to be end for new beginning. Okay, 10 of swords is a death situation, and ending of situation or a relationship. So that doesn't mean definitely a death of some situation. Some toxic is going to get dead, whether it is a relationship, a situation, or your own idea. It need to be changed, it need to die, so that you can start a new beginning or a new life. Okay, now this is your current scenario. Maybe because of it you're frustrated currently, because of it you're irritated or upset. Then please, guys, make use of your strength, make use of this season, because Leo is a season. Okay, Leo is a season where you will understand that who is for you and who is not for you. Okay, because Leo is an energy where the ruling planet is the sun, so it will affect all the signs very deeply. And when sun affects all the signs, it is bright and clear and loud message that what needs to be ended, whether it is your own negativity or toxicity, you cannot hide from it, or whether it is from another person. It is like in a Leo season, you will know that you have reached the saturation level of understanding, and something you need to let it go. Okay, so in this season, yes, there is going to be many new beginnings for all the signs. And Capricorns, this is a message for you from the universe, from the tarot cards, and I think both of the message are relevant, that you need to change your life. Stop giving efforts or putting efforts to someone or something which is empty, and move ahead, because there is a lot of opportunities. Okay, then we have your third card, that is 9 of Cups, the Strength card. Now third position is the Strength position. So 9 of Cups is a card where there is an improvements. Okay, a feeling of attainment. So when you will pass this, when there would be ending and starting of a new life, a new chapter, a new beginning, Capricorns, trust me, there is going to be improvement in. And cups is all about love, so there is going to be improvement in your love life. It's going to be improved in your, there is going to be improvement in your love life, there is going to be improvement in your career, in your work life, in your finances. Because if you see you are pleased and satisfied, you have attained something, definitely use this as your strength. This month your strength is being patient and consistent and determined, because this qualities of you will gain all the new beginnings and success you need. So please use these capabilities of you as your strengths in this month. What we have in a past, Capricorns, in a past we have King of Pentacles. I don't know, but this King of Pentacles is a card coming in almost all the readings for all the zodiacs. I feel somewhere or the other we all have gained that, somewhere or the other we have gained that maturity, we have gained that wisdom, the knowledge to accept the fate and move ahead with all the wisdom regarding our career, our finance. So definitely in the past 2-3 months, Capricorns, you have already gained a lot of insight regarding how to get more money, how to invest your time in career, and how to start a new chapter, a new life, maybe a new job, new business in last 2-3 months. And yes, it's going to be improved. Please use this experience, this knowledge in your present life, because you need to improve currently, right? From your past, Capricorns, you need to end something, you need to move ahead. So why not use your experience and power and wisdom which you have gained in last 2-3 months? Okay, that was a past for you. You were more focused on how to gain knowledge for increasing your finances, your career, how to invest, how to look for new job, start new business, new chapter in your life. So you are more focused about this in your past, while in presently your scenario is you need to end some toxic things in your life, whether a relationship, as I said you, whether a negative idea, whether a negative judgment about you or anybody. You just need to end it, never look back again, because there is nothing kept in your past. Okay, it's empty. Regarding to, I'm telling you, regarding to relationship or everything, not all the things are empty, but something which is painful for you or toxic for you, there is nothing left over there, right? So it's better to move ahead. Then we have your fifth card, and fifth card is the future influence, that is the Lovers. Now this is a beautiful card, Capricorns, because this is a soulmate energy. Now the Lovers is an energy wherein you may find that in coming weeks, maybe in 3rd or 4th week of August, this is a near future expectation that can happen. You might meet or feel some connection with your better half. If you are already committed, then please take time with your better half. Please take time with your husband or wife to spend, because maybe after that you might get busy and you won't get this ideal time to be together. Please involve each other emotionally, get attached to this companion. And if you are single, then definitely, Capricorns, you definitely have a chance to have a new love, or you will come across this soulmate energy. And this is a miraculous energy. When there is the Lovers card, it's like there is a romance building. For some of you, it's a marriage card, it's a relationship card, or it could also be you will get a great best friend in coming weeks, and you can feel this energy. Okay, I hope after so much of pain and after so much of frustrations and irritation, you get whatever is in your way, right? So it's a divine timing for Capricorns. Then we have a final outcome, and that is 3 of Cups. Now, Three of Cups is a celebration time. So definitely, guys, if you are able to take this challenge and win over this ending and start a new chapter in life, whether it is love, whether it is money, finances, career, new job, new business, then definitely there is celebration. So this card for some of the people is birth of a new child. There is celebration with friends and family. For some of you it is career success. For some of you it's a marriage card also, right? So you probably, Capricorns, probably have some good news, some positive news and celebration in this month. Please make use of this time, because August is a season where you can find yourself, guys, and please make use of this, because Leo season will bring that clarity to you before entering into a Virgo season, which is more mature and perfect season, a perfect zodiac. So it's better to know yourself inside out, before entering into something which is more grounded, which is more perfect, and which is more creative, right? So clarity is very important, and Leo season is going to give you that. Now your overall energy is Four of Wands. Now this card is a card of country setting or settlement. Maybe you will move into another house, maybe you will get a new job or a new settlement. Again, this is a marriage card. If you can see, these two people are setting a new kingdom. So with the help of your soulmate, maybe you will find one, or if you are already committed, with your help of soulmate you are building a new house or getting settled or thinking of family planning. But something full a month of August you will have this energy wherein you will be thinking of getting settled, buying a new home, or being more thinking of something stability, or how to get stable, and with the help of your companion. So with this, we would be meeting in our next season, that is a Virgo season, for our September readings. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.